So that was the one thing, the picture-in-picture video viewer. The next thing I sent you was the reader. I think a great website for that. I shared an example of going to Wikipedia. I found a story. I think I did a search on Apple to follow the exact example I did. I typed in Apple. I went to the corporation, and it went right to reader. How did it go right to the reader view? It's programmed that way in the Safari browser. This is why I strongly recommend you use Safari to get your money's worth. How did that happen? Well, I'm going to exit this right now. I'm going to go hide the view. Okay, I'm cheating a little bit. I tried to show you how to use ChatGPT with an article in Wikipedia. So I'm recording just this one section, and I'll figure out how to put it into the original video. So wish me luck. So in our last episode, I went to Notes, and I had this already typed out. And using Notes, I saved it, and I just copy and paste, Control C. So it's going to take a look at the screen and summarize an article. So I'm going back to Safari. This is where we were. I'm going to go up to Safari because it can't do anything. Safari's kind of weak. So I'm going to paste in that phrase. Like I said, paste in that phrase. There you go. So I want Safari to send this information on my screen over to ChatGPT and see what comes back in this little bubble in just a moment. Here we go. Let's see what happens this time. There you go, working, beautiful. And now we'll send it, and it's working. And for some reason, it made the window a little smaller, and we'll fix that as quickly as we can. It's working. There it is. So for some reason, it shrunk my window. I'm not going to change the size of the window now because that might get rid of the output. So there it is. It was able to summarize the whole page, kind of, or just a screenshot, depending on what I sent it. I believe it was just a screenshot. But there's an example of using AI to look at an article and read it and summarize it. Mind-boggling. That's all I wanted to capture on this re-recording of this part of the video. Thanks for your patience. Always challenging sometimes. YouTube video.